Kaning tulo, i-separate ni na to siya. So, naay mag-storya diri, may istorya diri, naay mag-storya diri. So, kung instruction, definition, purpose, materials, the same, atong vital signs, duma na rin yung istorya. Rotate dayo mo. Pag mahuman mo sa tulo, uli. Abog dito. Yes, dali na kayo mahuman man. Pero sa assessment, ano yung uno ang naitaw. Okay, so we're gonna start with this one. Okay, good morning everyone. I am Sheena Yu and I'll be demonstrating on how to perform the bottle sterilization. So when you say sterilizing the bottle, this is using heat by HEAT, kanang init, to remove the germ coming from our feeding bottle. And purpose ani is to provide a germ-free feeding bottle to our baby to prevent any kanang mga abdominal upset, mga diarrhea, any sickness no sa atong gastrointestinal tract. So this one here is our materials. We have here sa tabi dito nga nahulog to siya, pinali to siya dito. And this one here is our bottle sterilizer. Ang sterilization process ani guys, katabi itong init-init, katabi itong siya ka galdirin. Ingon alam na siya, dili kay kani-kani, ulatang naman nimo automatic na traditional ang akwani ha. So, unara alam niya kani galdirin mo siya. Sterilization pot. Then we have also here the water, and then we have also our dishwashing liquid for our feeding bottle. The 2 basins of water, 1 soapy and 1 for rinsing. This one is our drying rack. This one is our feeding bottle. Then we have also the big and the small brush. We have also our tongue and our paper towel or our morning towel, and the complete set of personal protective equipment together with your hairnet or bonnet, then your apron. Ay, nakapag-gloves ani, buang na. Sobraan. Okay. So first thing to do is of course, and also the watch. You need to have your watch. So first is you are going to wash your hands to prevent the spread of infection, and then you are going to dismantle the feeding bottle and place it onto the soapy water, then including the brushes and the tongue. So gamay ka ato, then using your big brush, you're going to use it onto the feeding bottle and place it onto the rinsing bottle. You're going to brush also. Wash your tongue, and then with using your small brush, use it onto the nipple. It is mantle gyud apil ang nipple ha, ayo siya ikon sa neck. And then this one here is our collar, and this one here is our cup. So after that one, we're just going to rinse, then place it onto the drying rack, including the tongue. Okay, after that one, you open your sterilization pot. Place the small parts on top. Then the feeding bottle will be placed at the bottom, including the tongue. Then you're just going to wait for it to boil. So, at the boiling point, kung pagka nag-boil na siya, pag-boil na, yan na din kapag-time. The time 15 minutes. So, after 15 minutes, you remove the smaller parts to prevent fermenting. Okay, melt na siya kung tubig ka rin. Then, after that one, after another 15, so all in all 30. So, 15 minutes, this one, another 15. So, that's all in all 30 minutes, you remove the, so nag-budit yung kani o kanilang holder, no? Then, place it upside down onto our paper towel or the morning towel. And then you are going to assemble. So, ako siyang i-shoot Ang ring sa nipple. Then, ang elevation. Naganda ang pagkuhan. Hindi ka maghawig, guys. Akti kay day. Then, close it. That is bottle sterilization. Go to care, wash hands, and good morning, everyone. I am Sheena Yu, and I'll be demonstrating on how to do the milk formula preparation. So, milk formula preparation, it is the process of making the milk for the baby using a right ratio, and the right shaking of the formula. This is to provide nutrition for our baby and also to prevent colic. Colic is kapag, no? Kung may air mag-good bubbles, muna siya makapit kapag or colic. So muna itong i-prevent. So muna na proper shaking. So what are the materials needed? We have here our distilled water, the spatula, we have here the milk and the scoop inside. Ang milk nito is since 2018. Hindi flour, ang bukod tayo. Flour na siya before. The complete set of personal protector. So, the first thing to do is to wash your hands to prevent the spread of infection. And then you will going to get your baby bottle, open it, and tanawin mo sa label of the pack. So, 2:1. So, 2:1, 2 ounces of water, and then 1 scoop of milk. At eye level, just going to pour eye level. Pag pour din mo na 2 ounces of water, and then you're going to get a milk. That's 1 scoop of milk. Then use the spatula. Then we have here our proper shaking. So how to shake? Well, 4 methods of shaking. Okay, 4 methods siya. So you just have to do the palm rolling. Then we have to do the side to side. Now we have here the figure of 8 and the circular motion. We're not going to do like this because we garnish.
Sumakasabot na.
Bubble formation that will be across of colic.
Colic. Dali, ayaw naman ko mag-notes.
Good morning, everyone. I am Sheena Yu, and I'm demonstrating on how to perform feeding and birthing of babies. When you say feeding, of course, you provide food for nutrition. And when you say burping, that's one of the excess gases that can be ingested during the feeding process. So, what are the materials needed? We have here our burping ganit to prevent colic food. Para hindi siya colic. So, kailangan ipabawas. Sakit mo ng colic food. So, this one here is our bib, our burping towel, the pillow, the rubber mats, and our feeding bottle with milk formula, the chair, the baby in the crib, and we have the baby dummy, and we have also the complete set of personal protective equipment. First thing to do, wash your hands to prevent the spread of infection, and then you are going to get the baby from the crib. Okay, ang baby na ito parang is na siya sa baby. Magic Rogeria, baby siya pero tigulang niya sa tasan. Itong mga buros niya, so at least blue yan. At least blue yan. Okay, then after bata pa gani, giguan na siya. Buwang na. Isaway na siya. Then after that one, we're going to place the baby with the pillow underneath to have a semi-upright position. Nga may semi-upright na to prevent from choking. If nananong siya pa with after that one is you will going to test if the baby is really hungry. Kasi ng baby nagdilak lang kay wet in diaper or nagdilak. So atong more execution. So we're going to do the routine reflex. I'm just going to place side na sa iyang mouth. You follow siya the little the baby's mouth. Okay, you follow ang baby. Then, going to put the bib. After placing the bib, then we're going to do the pencil hold position. Make sure that the milk is covered with sa tubig. Okay, kung ano air, pwede kawaw. Then, at the side, yes, kung mahuli anak, yes. At the side of, facing the nipple at the side of the mouth towards the center to prevent mouth damage. Hindi na siya pwede na Then, we're going to wait for the baby to consume the 1 ounce and half of the formula. You let the baby burp. Okay? So after that one, desperate na yung Test mo siya. Then after that one is we will let the baby bark. Bark na ba? Burp na kaya bark. Bark. Bark yun. Okay, then after din siya dito. Let the baby for 3 methods of burping. We're gonna have the shoulder hold position. Shoulder hold position is the burping position. Then you're just going to tap gently at the back. Burp the baby. The baby doesn't burp, you're going to burp and do the second method. Second the method is tummy to tummy position. So let the baby feel the warmth of your body. Tummy to tummy, katong mga laylay nila ang tuan. Tummy to breast. Uy, wala ko naginunak mo. Basin na lang. And then sitting position.
Mahay daw mawala.
Basin na ako yan. Gently at the back. And then when the baby burp, then you let the baby consume the whole formula. So the whole formula na siya. So, guys, ginagmay na kayo guys. Pero tanawa, detail ni mo. Kailangan ganito ni mo tanawa. Nakita ganin mo na yung detail. Hindi na ang detail. Ang galungod. Detail lang mo. And after that one is flexible position again. And you let the baby consume the formula. But, before that, pwede rin mo siya i-roofing reflex. Sige, basta ng baby, nabusog na siya. 1 ounce, baka. So, ito siyang ipadili. After that one, let the baby consume the whole formula and let the baby burp. So, ikaduha mo mag-burp. Okay? And then, after that one, we're just going to do the 3 methods again. That's shoulder hold position to the burping position, and you're going to tap gently at the back. The baby doesn't burp anymore yet. Then you're just going to do the tummy to tummy position. Then after, come up. Then we're going to do the sitting position. And after that one is, that's the 3 methods of sabak. Hey guys, ay mo pagsabak kay ano? Mag-video kaya sila. Halak ka. Okay, then after that one is, you will going to let the baby rest the legs niya. So, let the baby sleep. So, saan pagpa-sleep sa baby? No? Baby is, nahin yung bata, okay ra? Kiko, let the baby
Malayo rin yung
lie
video
on the
guys.
side first. On the side first. Nasa yung have to feel. And then, kung magsuka ang baby, at least wala siya suka. Kahit kung mag-anak ko yung suka, pwede mo niya maswallow ka. Kasi mga aspiration niya siya. Ayaw lang. Then, kung example, nakita rin ang ay rin siya gamay pa. Then, you let the baby lie on his back. Supay ha, supay ganin. Yang, supay. Side lie ganin takilid. Then, okay. Then, this one here with a pillow underneath. Ano man, to prevent siya maghanap itong malunod siya. Mag-choke siya. And then, this is also the position of preventing the seeds sa that is feeding and burping. fast nga demo, pero detailed siya nga demo. That's why you have to
Procedure naman
understand.
niya.